I travel with my family. Of course, I'm going to start packing an hour before our flight.
I travel with my family.
Of course, we have TSA pre-check. And clear.
I travel with my family. Of course, I'm going to wait until I get to the airport to make sure my bags are not overweight.
And I was supposed to bag over.
I travel with my family. Of course, I can carry my own luggage.
I travel with my family. Of course, we're always running to the gate so we don't miss our flight. Come on, guys, hurry.
I travel with my family. Of course, my mom and dad make me sit in the middle seat.
I travel with my family. Of course, I'm gonna roll my wife's luggage.
I travel with my family. Of course, I'm gonna help my mom with her luggage too. Thanks, baby. You're welcome.
I travel with my family. Of course, I'm an airport dad and I'm in charge of everyone's passports and boarding passes.
I travel with my family. Of course, we're forced to be overpriced airport food when we have a long layover.
We travel as a family.
Of course, we've been to over 55 countries.